Hi friends, solve problem on projectile motion. Let's see what is given in problem. By what percentage the range of projectile is increased if initial velocity is increased by 5%. See here nothing is given. That means initial velocity is not given, angle of projection is not given. What will be the angle of projection we'll take here? That angle remains same only if velocity is increased by 5%. What should be the increase in percentage increase in the range of projectile? It means by what percentage the range of projectile is increased. We have to find out a range means what? Horizontal distance here. That means in problem what is given here one by one. First one you must know only this one initial velocity and final is 5% additional. That means if initial velocity will take 100 meters per second, in second case increase by 5%, that means we will add 5% of 100, comes out to be 100 plus 5, that means 105. This is the velocity. By what percentage the range of projectile is increased if initial velocity is increased by 5%? Is the problem. See, a problem is very easy. Simply you must know what is a range, normal range given by what in terms of theta 0 u 0. That formula of range that is equal to what? R is given by u0 square cos of 2 theta 0 upon g, where u0 is initial velocity of projection, theta 0 is angle of projection, g is a constant value. Now what range you are getting? Say this one initially when u0 velocity is what? u0, range comes out to be r. Now if we take second case, this one is range of projectile is given by this formula, where initially velocity is u0 and range is what? R. Now next case is what? If this velocity, if velocity is increased, that is given in problem, is increased by 5%. If velocity is increased by 5% and theta 0 जो है, this one always remains constant, or in both the cases it is constant, and theta 0 is same. If theta 0 is same or that is a constant, then new velocity if we write here, because new velocity is 5% greater. As here you are written u0, the new velocity I will write here u0 dash, you can say. Can you say it is u0 plus 5% of u0? That means u0 as it is plus 5 upon 100, 5% means 5 upon 100 u0. That means this u0 dash equal to u0 plus 0.5 upon 100, 0.05 u0. That means it comes out to be what? 1.05 u0. Means u0 dash new velocity I written in terms of what? u0 initial velocity. Now formula of range is in terms of u0 and theta 0. Theta 0 remains same. u0 here it becomes u0 dash. That means new range, if we will find out, that new range is given by, I will write this one also by r dash. Instead of u0 it becomes u0 dash, it's a square cos of 2 theta 0 divided by g. Now u0 dash is 1.05 u0. If I will substitute here 1.05 u0 and its square cos of 2 theta 0 upon g. In this case, say this is equation number 2, or first one we have written A, this one is equation B. Now in this case, initial range, and when velocity is increased by 5%, you are getting r dash, say by equation B. What you have to find out, by what percentage the range of projectile is increased. Now percentage increase, if you want to find out, this is increase range now because velocity is greater. What difference you are getting in velocity in range divided by what is the original range, means this r, and multiplied by 100, you will get what? Percentage increase in range. If you want to find out percentage increase in range, we will write like this: percentage increase in the range of projectile is given by new range is r dash, original range is r divided by original, difference upon original multiplied by 100. Now r dash what we are getting here is in terms of 1.05 u0 square cos 2 theta 0 divided by g minus r is what u0 square cos 2 theta 0 upon g divided by r is nothing but same value u0 square cos 2 theta 0 divided by g and multiplied by 100. Now which terms are same, so that we will cancel that term. See here easily which terms are same. In denominator there is g, this g gets cancelled, this g and this g gets cancelled. Very easy. Cos 2 theta 0, cos 2 theta 0, cos 2 theta, these terms gets cancelled. Here 1.05 into u0 square, that means u0 square, here u0 square, here u0 square, again these terms gets cancelled. Or first I will write in terms of u0 square, so what will write here? 1.05 square u0 square minus u0 square divided by u0 square into 100. Now if we take u0 square common from this one numerator and from denominator, so this u0 square and u0 square gets cancelled. That means what we will get here? 1.05 square minus 1. 1.05 square minus 1 into 100. That means if you calculate, you will get percentage increase in range, and answer is what? 10.25%. This is our final answer. Thank you.